Hello. This looks a bit messed up, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't the prettiest thing I've ever done in my life. Right, I'm gonna move my cam here. Right, I'm gonna put you guys up here. If I can, I can't. Okay, I'll be fine now. So we're gonna do, right, Move Star Planet today. I'm tempted to do Minecraft. Don't ask me why. But we're gonna go with it. Okay, I'm sitting on my floor. I pray that this works because it's a bit messed up. I have not been on Move Star Planet for like 2 months now, something like that. But it's Gucci, it's cool, it's amazing, it's whatever. But yeah, if you guys like videos like this, then like please tell me, because I will sure do it again if you want me to. So yeah, right, notice it. Okay, I'm doing this for 1 minute and 10 seconds. You guys wanted to know that so badly. Okay, right. Let's just go on to Movie Star Planet. It is going to take like ages to load. Whereas so many tabs are. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right, that's my foot there. If you wanted to see that. But you don't want to see this. But not really. Okay. Right. This is going to take a very long time because, right, let's sign in. Right, I've got to remember it now, right. Okay, right. That is my username, so go follow me if you like on here. Now my pass is something that you're not going to find out. Right, log in, this better be my password. If not, I'm going to write it again and pray that I log on. I think it is my password though, so we like don't have to worry, like, hello, like, we don't have to worry. Hang on. Oh my god, I think it's working. I'm just going to check my phone right now because I'm getting like bored of waiting for it. So he's such a cute, isn't he? Sorry, I'm talking about someone from BTS. Right, this is probably going to take like years to upload. No, 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 no. Okay. As you can see, this is me. I am level 21. Be proud of me. Thanks for level 21. 10 things out of that. Right, this is going to be really like laggy, so maybe we should do something else. Okay, right. Close current tab. Na, 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 na. Right, okay, right. Is it still recording? Okay, right. Let's go on to Minecraft. Oh, wait, not that one. Minecraft. Because why not? Mojang, it is loading. Mojang. This is so weird because when I put this one up, it goes up this side. Like, oh my god. Ah! Right. So right now, it's lagging. So right now, I'm putting my left arm up, and it comes up with my right. When I put my right arm up, it comes with my left. Like, hello, weird AF, am I right? Right, let's wait for this to load. And once again, I'm going on Instagram again. Follow me on Instagram, LPWX. Yes, I'm cool, I'm snazzy. This isn't loading, hurry up. I'm on my main account right now. Lips, hips, 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 lips, hips, hips, hips. What's happened to my iPad? Is it like run out of charge or something? Yes, it has. BRB. There you go. It's loaded for you guys. Hang on. Let me put this on charge. I'm coming back to. Okay, right. Let's play some Minecraft. I'm bored. Let's generate a random one. Let's call it. I'm gonna put you on my lap so you get close to my face. Like, hope you enjoy that close up. Where the money at? No. Where the money at? I think that's appropriate, right? Right. Yeah, play. I'm moving around a bit. Plenty. I should probably most likely put this on my desk. Let's have a go. Right, I'm going to try and sort my desk out. As you have seen earlier, my desk is crappy. But you know what? We are going to try and make this work. Right. I'm on my desk right now. Everything's falling on the floor. Great, right? I've got to tuck my chair in. Because the club queen, you know. Okay, right. Oh, so sad. Right, Kim. It's taking ages. Literally, like, lyrics. Oh, we have came. Should we go? Oh my god, feeling my head. It's like puberty land up there. What the fuck? Be like, what the fuck? Why are you playing Minecraft Pig? Bitch, because I want to. Be like, bloody hell. Because, like, I am puberty queen. I am every single other queen. Like, why wouldn't I be? Right, where the flippity flip flop am I going? I need to get wood. Oh my god, this is lag is real. It's where I've got a screen recorder on, and then I have also got this on, and I mean, like, bloody hell, it's like bloody Thriller all over again. Kim with the Kardashians is still playing in the background. Right, okay, right. It's so annoying to get this set up, though. It like takes forever. So let's just say, first time doing screen record, also Minecraft episode 1, I guess. Right, there's cash on the floor right there. I can feel it with my foot. Right, what is that behind me? What the hell? Right, okay, right. Right, let's get this tree as well, because why not? Here in this community, we actually don't, you know, like, I like to make puns and jokes. But yeah, I started senior school, and it isn't like the funniest thing in the world, I guess, mainly because, like, I haven't got any homework this week, I ain't gonna lie. But I've got, like, lost 5,000 times, and I'm, like, getting, like, really bloody sick of this. I'm like, bruh. Is there, like, a time where I'm not gonna get, like, so many times that I'm getting really annoyed of it? Right, I should probably make a crafting table by now. Ooh, what's this over here? Right. Should we go over here? Because I have had to do so much today, literally. I've had to sign into all of my accounts just to do this video. I've had to put, like, emails in and stuff. Oh, for God's sake. Where's the pig gone? Flip, tip, flip, tip. Oh, for God's sake, man. Okay, right. Hello, piggy. Are you ready to die? Oh my god, die. Ooh! I got 2 beats. That's a word record in it. People are gonna hate me because I just said in it, but you know what, fuck. People are probably gonna be like, little Tay who, why are you swearing so much? Mainly because I actually don't care, and secondly, thirdly, because I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I could say a lot of worse things, but spastic alert. Okay. But yeah, senior school is like fun, I guess. I mean, like no school is fun, but it's okay. Oh, this is gonna suck. This YouTube channel now. People are gonna be like, Paige, when did you start coming into a gaming channel? Like, hello, what is happening to this world? I thought Paige would be a Jeffree Star person who likes to do makeup, or a Shane Dawson person. Firstly, I support Shane Dawson. He is a motherfucking queen. Like, I ain't complaining with Shane or nothing. But I always like love gaming and video games, and you know. No, let's just go with it here. Alright, I need to move my computer. Okay. Okay, let's make some planks. Oh my god, kill me, literally. No idea what happened there. Right, no, but it's Gucci. So, right, let's go back to Minecraft. Y'all are gonna hate me. You're gonna hate me. Hate me. Dedicated. Okay, I cannot say that. This is a family-friendly YouTube channel. We cannot say that stuff because people are gonna start thinking that I was raised up by a prostitute or something, or a paedophile, when I'm not. I am just saying. I have been recording for 11 minutes. There's a close-up of my beautiful face. Lips, hips, lips. As you can hear, you have this back, right. Continue, I don't care. I've got to move this down here now. Wee, look, I'm going all over the screen. Woo. Okay. Right, I'm going to keep you at the bottom of my screen now because, you know what, I don't care. Where the money at? We're going back to the world called Where the Money At? And we got my stapler. Oh, hello. Oi, why you do this to me? Where's that YouTube money at, Paige? I don't know. Probably because you like have no subscribers. Oh well, I care. Here is a 2p, here is a 1p, here is a 5p. Nobody cares, Paige. What are you doing with your life? Here is. What is it? Ooh, eyeshadow on a 5p. Look at it. As you can see. Oh, Mum's gonna kill me. Look at it. Oh no, man. This bitch gonna lie or what? Oh, I want my phone back. Where's my phone? Oh my god, I literally sound like one of those spoiled brats. Here is my phone. Right, this bitch has got to load. Play. Don't ask me what it's doing. Lips. Ooh, somebody's eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god, Taehyung. Seriously. No, I give up right now. So I'm gonna stop this video right now. I hope you enjoyed this. This was me testing out if this shit will work. Obviously it did, and I'm gonna upload this to YouTube now. So goodbye, you people. And then I can't do this thing on there because it's just a spastic. Okay. Oh wait, I will go this way. Ta-ta. Good. Wait. Right, I can't see it right now. Oh well, I don't care. I'm just say goodbye. Bye bye.